Hi, Himanshu sir. Hello, Deep.
Hello.
So, how you all are doing?
Fine.
Great.
Yeah, all great.
Okay, so Deep, it's the first time you are, leading in Hackathon as a newcomer too. And with Hackathon, it's 9.0 this time. So, how are your feelings and are you nervous, excited?
Hackathon actually completely new environment for me, and I take this opportunity to learning from myself as well as interacting with my great team members. I'm also thankful to sir.
Totally agree with that. And one question I would like to ask from all three of you that this time the theme is different. Overall, the plan is a bit different. We have chatbot as theme, different industries, different topics. So how is, if anyone can of you, put some light that what is the future perspective of chatbot in the industry?
I believe it's huge. A lot of manual work, a lot of repetitive work. Now when we are researching more and more on our domain, which is manufacturing and distribution domain. In this particular domain, there is a lot of repetitive manual work which goes on, which actually gives a lot of takes a lot of overhead. It has a lot of overhead cost. It has a lot of it causes a lot of latency in the process. If we introduce this automated chatbot, which we are seeing like when we are experimenting and trying our solution, a lot of time can be saved, a lot of repetitive processes can be automated via chatbot, and we can have responses within a few seconds. And this would actually overall impact the overall process of the industry, and hence enhancing the processes and enhancing the.
Just the last part I would like to sum up is that any message to your competitors, what would you like to say on that?
May the best team win. That's what I would say.
So,
Everybody is working hard. We
Yeah.
know that everybody is loaded.
Yes.
Everybody has extra official responsibilities apart from this hackathon.
True.
So we understand we share the common pain points.
Yes.
So we appreciate the effort by each team, and along the way we are working, everybody will be working hard. So best of luck to other teams, and may the best team win.
May the best team win.